In order to save your cooked attention span, YouTube is now giving you the power to remove short-form videos from your feed if you don't want to see them. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. YouTube has rolled out the capability to set your shorts feed limit to 0 minutes, which could help you stop doom scrolling, at least on your mobile. The video sharing platform originally launched a shorts feed limit back in October last year, but the lowest option you could choose was 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes are up, you'll get a pop-up reminding you to take a break. Earlier this year, it integrated the feature with parental controls, allowing guardians to set time limits for younger users. YouTube said back then that parents will soon see the option to set the timer to 0. Now the shorts timer is live, not just for parents, but for all users. You can now find the 0 minutes option in your adult account and be able to activate it for yourself. When you select it, you may see a notice that says scrolling is paused, but you may still see individual shorts. You may also have to refresh your app so the short-form videos disappear from your feed entirely. To block stop shorts from showing up for you, go to your settings page in the YouTube app for mobile. Look for time management and scroll down to daily limits, where you can find the shorts feed limit section. If you don't want to get rid of shorts altogether, you can choose from any of the other options, with 2 hours being the maximum time available. So the next time you think you're doom scrolling a little extra, you know right where to go and control that. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.